So I choose carrots again. This is my second cup. So after a tiring work, getting a firewood and earth ball mushroom at the mountain tops, I made a juice. But sad to say, the earth ball mushroom that we got is already been too old, so it's not an edible already. So let's take this. I don't have celery already, so a pure carrots only. This is good when you just don't have anything eaten on, so it will directly go into your bloodstreams. It's no minimal work for the kidney. I'm not a doctor, but I just love doing this.